In this video, we'll learn how you can easily link your Aadhaar with your bank account right from home in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started without any delay. First, open Google Chrome and search for NPCI. You'll see the official website of NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India. Go ahead and open it. This is how the website's interface looks. You'll find several menu options like products, consumers, media, taxes, NNXT, fintechs, developers, and business. Simply click on the consumer option. Here you'll see many sub-options. Click on the last one, Bharat Aadhaar Seeding Enabler. Once you open it, you'll land on a new page. This session will expire in about 8 minutes, so make sure to keep your documents ready and fill out the form quickly and carefully. On the left-hand side, you'll see different menu options. Click on Aadhaar Seeding, Deseeding. Now, a form will appear where you need to enter your details. First, enter your Aadhaar number. Next, under Request for Aadhaar, you'll find two options. Seeding to link your Aadhaar with your bank account. Deseeding to unlink your Aadhaar from your bank account. Since I want to link my bank account, I'll select the seeding option. Now, choose your bank name from the drop-down. After that, you'll need to select your seeding type. You'll get 3 choices here. Fresh seeding. If you're linking your Aadhaar to a bank account for the first time, movement same bank with another account. If you already have a linked account but want to change it to another account within the same bank, movement from one bank to another bank. If you want to transfer your Aadhaar link from one bank to a completely different bank, for this example, I'll choose fresh seeding. Next, enter your account number, copy it correctly and paste it in the field provided. Check the terms and conditions, enter the CAPTCHA and then click submit. That's it. Your request has now been submitted successfully. It will be updated shortly. Apart from this, if you check the options on the left side of the page, you can view your account details, check your Aadhaar map status, see your Aadhaar map history, track the status of your submitted request, and use the help option if you need any support. So, I hope this process was clear and easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.